Good morning, guys. I'm so happy you're here. I was just taking my vitamins and now I'm going to start cleaning up my house. I have cookie dough in the fridge, and then to go with the cookies, marshmallows, graham crackers. So you're supposed to put cookie dough down, you put some graham cracker, and then you put a marshmallow, and then you put cookie dough on top, and then it's like a stuffed s'more cookie. And thinking about it right now, I'm like, would it be better if I crumbled up the graham cracker instead of just like the 2 squares? And then also I was thinking about cutting the marshmallow in half because someone said it was too much. So maybe I'll experiment, I'll play around. And so by the time you guys go to cook it, you'll know which one worked out the best. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. How much fun. All right, today's gonna be a good day, guys. Breakfast really quick before I get started. I'm making eggs and toast, my literal favorite, but I wanted to show you the loaf of bread that I cooked yesterday. I'm about to cut into it for my toast. Look at that. Haul of my Amazon Prime haul. The first thing I got was this decoration kit for my friend's bachelorette party. I'm gonna decorate the room. It's gonna be a balloon arch and a square foil balloon wall. I'll insert a picture here. I just discovered these and I'm like, that is gonna be so cute. I am gonna vlog that when I build it, so you'll be able to see how it turns out. I got 2 balloon pumps manual because I'm gonna bring my electric one. But like, I don't want there to be an emergency or we want to get multiple people blowing up balloons, so I just got those. And then for the bridal shower, it's a little game. It's kind of like pin the tail on the donkey. Is that what it is? Except it's bachelorette party themed, so fill in the gaps there. And then I got face wash. This is the face wash I use every day. I just got it because it was on sale and I was like comparing it to what Walmart and Target was selling this size for, and it was a deal, so I grabbed that too.
Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight. Post. I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smiles. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. So let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it.
I have been looking for a table runner that has like strawberries, but it's kind of embroidered all spring and summer. And I just went to Marshall's to look at fall stuff, and I found my spring/summer table runner, which is okay because technically it is still summer. So let's appreciate it while it's summer. But look at this. It is so cute. And like, look. It's like embroidered. Ugh, I love it.
Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Turn around and tell me what I'm missing now. 아주 멋쟁이 넌 하루 종일 세상 혼자 사는 듯이 그래. 도도한 태도가 날 더 미치게 만들어. Meet me up near the riverside. We can push everything aside. Make stars align, let's just collide. Yeah, yeah. Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Turn around and tell me what I'm missing now. Let me take you on a magic ride. I'm just waiting for you. I'm in love with your style. 너의 그 통통 튀는 매력 올라서서 널 만난 처음에. I'll make you mine. Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Turn around and tell me what I'm missing now. Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice.
Okay, it's finally time to cook the cookies. What should I do first? Let me put some stuff on here. I got my cookie tray. I have some parchment paper on it. I just bought the pre-made cookie dough because I just didn't want to have to make it from scratch, honestly. I just wanted to enjoy baking these cookies and not giving myself tons of work, so that's why I made the call to just buy pre-made. There was a time in my life when I would not have allowed myself to buy pre-made, but I realized, you know, your mental health matters too. And if it's going to take the fun out of it, having to cook everything by scratch, then I don't want to do it. But 2 tablespoons of cookie. Okay. These are stuffed cookies though, and the recipe calls for like 2 tablespoons to be the bottom of the cookie, and then 2 tablespoons to be the top of the cookie. So I'm just going to do all of the bases right now. The 2 tablespoons to start. And then I'll put in the graham cracker and the marshmallow. And then I'll do 2 more tablespoons to kind of top off the cookie so it's nice and stuffed. And I'm also just winging the 2 tablespoons. Like, I don't know. It seems good in my mind. I'm doing like this much. Yeah.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
Showered, washed my hair while these dried. I am so ready to try one. Let's see. Okay, I can already tell you, actually, come here. Come here, come here. Look, where I just put the square, I feel like it's just a square in the middle. Like, I don't love that. But if you go over here, you can see the ones where I kind of broke it up and I did crumbles. It spread better. So, highly recommend doing the crumble version. They definitely are sticky, the marshmallow, to like the parchment paper. So really, I would recommend using something like parchment paper. All right, let's do the crack. Wow. So good. To be honest, I mostly taste the chocolate chip cookie. But I do taste a little marshmallow, and I think once I bite into the middle section, I'll get a lot of marshmallow. Maybe put more graham cracker than I did, because it expanded, and then the graham cracker looked like a lot less than it did before. Also, you're probably wondering why I'm wearing my pumpkin spice shirt. That's because I'm about to film my first fall-esque video, and that will be out next week. I'm pulling out all my fall decor, and I just want to see what I have, because next weekend my sister's coming to town, and so me and my sister and my mom, we're gonna go shopping. So I want to know what I have before I go, so I can just buy, you know, what I don't have or what have you. So, if you're looking for some fall content, stay tuned. My next video will be coming out in a couple weeks, and it will be all about fall decor. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.